Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the car to accessory or on so the infotainment unit is active. The system needs stable voltage to pair reliably. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and not connected to another device, because the Fiesta will reject simultaneous links. Once done, open the sync or radio pairing menu on the head unit and choose Add Device. This triggers the car's Bluetooth to broadcast, which is the signal your phone must detect to proceed. You'll now clear obsolete pairings because cached profiles often block new connections. Delete the Fiesta entry on your phone and remove the phone from the car's device list so both ends start fresh. If pairing still fails, do a soft reset of the head unit or disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds to clear module memory. This can resolve stuck Bluetooth stacks. Make sure to update your phone OS and any available Fiesta firmware, since mismatched software commonly causes compatibility errors. You finish by accepting the PIN or pairing request on both the phone and the Fiesta head unit. This confirms secure pairing and enables hands-free features. Once paired, make sure media and phone audio routing are enabled and allow contact sync so calls and names display properly. If pairing intermittently drops, test with another phone to isolate the issue. If problems remain after a sync hard reset, visit a dealer for a diagnostic scan. Faulty module hardware or corrupted firmware is the most likely culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.